Welcome back. I speak for my friends when to my side here when I say
we're friends.
Yeah, it's as close as I'm going to get.
Okay.
Hey, just one thing that makes Emo's Pizza so unique and so good is the provel cheese. So what is the provel process like, you ask? Well, Steve Harris is at Emo's Pizza headquarters right now, hanging out in the cheese room. Steve, who knew there was a cheese room?
I am. Provel process. I like that. And they keep it cool in here, because, well, it's cheese. They don't want it to melt. Look at this. I got gloves on, so I'm smacking the big block of cheese here. I got Nick Palink with me. I want you to tell me what we're seeing behind us. Walk me through the process of making what you got.
So we're in our cheese room here, the provel room, and we have our 44-pound block. So it comes in a 44-pound, and then we cut it up. So right now we're making our rope cheese, so the stuff that you see in the grocery store.
May I cut the cheese there?
Yeah, absolutely. So quick pull down.
Oh, look. Oh, my goodness.
Solid. Let's do one more. So we cut it up into smaller pieces. We put it in our little vats over here. And then, once we go from here, we press a button. We're a little full right now, so we can't. We'll do it in a second. But we put, it comes up automatically, goes through a grinder, and comes out in pre-cut slices. So it's automatically calibrated. So this is our 8-ounce container we're doing. So each little cut here is done in 8-ounce pieces. As you see, they get put in the container, and then from there it's pretty much automated. Closes the lid, puts the label on, we put it in a box, and into the cooler it goes.
Very, very cool. And then you go to the grocery store and you buy that stuff and pick it up. And then, what is provel? Tell me that.
Provel is a mix of Swiss cheddar provolone. So
with a little special ingredient.
A little smoke flavor in there that gives it a nice little kick. But it's a very creamy, rich cheese. So it's great on not just pizzas, but salads, garlic cheese bread, hamburgers, anything basically.
And of course, Emo's known for their provel. I mean, made it famous, I think.
Yes, I think Emo's and provel are pretty much hand in hand.
Very, very good. So listen, now you've seen it. I'm going to show you the finished product in a little bit and give you some of that finished product and a gift card for $15 to make it a great day. All you got to do, go to Instagram, caption my picture of me enjoying the cheese. How about that?
Well, which is like not what I would call appetizing, but it's all we got to work with right now.
That's all Great Dave's Instagram account is. It's just pictures of Steve Harris enjoying cheese.
I liked it.
Yeah,
That was a pretty cool
cheese.
process.
That is really
was very good.
The whole assembly line thing, that's really cool.
Yeah. Thank you very much, Steve. Again, the Great Day Instagram page is Great Day STL. Very easy to find.
Is there a